Since the advent of the wheel, history has been shaped by groundbreaking revolutions. Today, the digital revolution is reshaping our lives, where every rotation unfolds a completely new dimension to the things around us. Founded in 1995, ColorJet Group foresaw this digital shift and emerged as India's leading manufacturer of digital inkjet printers, specializing in textile and signage digital printing. With a global footprint spanning 450 cities and 25 countries, ColorJet Group is a beacon of technological invention, boasting over 5,000 machines installed worldwide. Over the years, the group has become synonymous with designing leadership in textile industry with high quality and high-speed textile printing. Benchmarks of performance, landmarks of technological innovations, yardsticks of R&D breakthroughs define companies' forays, achievements and accolades. Most fittingly, ColorJet is proudly holding the Made in India flag and taking the new age Indian attitude to the global arenas. At the epicenter of ColorJet's journey resides the intent and belief that developing of new technology, research and development is not an event. It is an ongoing, continuous and assiduous discipline. All the tech developments at ColorJet are spearheaded by ColorJet Innovation Laboratories, CIL. One of the key pillars driving and spearheading ColorJet's tryst with business leadership is its unrelenting commitment towards research and development that is duly recognized by the Government of India. At the golden dawn of the new millennium, when the transformation from the traditional printing to digital textile printing was coming of age, ColorJet's R&D division worked as a lighthouse, showing directions to the digital printing revolution in India. There are 4 pillars to the successful commercialization of any new technology. Those are conceptualization framework, designing, engineering and manufacturing capabilities, and skill sets. In our journey of close to 30 years, we have inch by inch built the foundation of these pillars.
ColorJet for me actually is a dream come true. It has been a long 35 years since I have been trying to build something which was always close to my heart, and that is something where not only it's technology driven, innovation driven, but also purely made in India, and prove that any product which is made in India and most technological advance also can be a great success in the future. So where we are today, I am fully satisfied that we are taking care of the environment. We are making products with high tech innovation and R&D. We are making products which are not very expensive. We are making products which have a quality which is worthy of exports. We are very actually proud to be following the ESG, which is something which every company has to do for future generations which will come up. For testing our printers, inks and the softwares which go as a part of the prototyping stage, because in addition to the machines, we have to ensure that the printing quality is the best.
The designing and manufacturing acumens of the group are the other core edifices of the ColorJet pedigree, lineage and legacy. Their state-of-the-art manufacturing facility spanning 2 lakh square feet epitomizes design and manufacturing excellence, producing workhorses capable of printing up to 5,000 square meter per day, 9,000 square meter per day and to 50,000 square meter per day respectively.
At ColorJet, we are India's largest digital textile printer manufacturer, commanding a majority market share. We have customized our products and services which cater to the needs of the entire printing industry. With the innovation of the printing technology, we are able to provide a sustainable solution which is covering the large gamut of the textile printing market. The products and the services which we offer are available in the high-speed, high-production segment to entry and mid-level segments.
Innovative digital textile printing technologies pioneered by ColorJet are shimmering jewels in the group crown. ColorJet AIS has incomparable advantages for customers of all requirements. From ink technologies to long life of printheads to lowering the cost of operation, sustainability, the reason of our existence. Since we are not just living for today, we are future ready, believe in developing responsible technology that works towards creation of a sustainable world. While the world was wowed by ColorJet's cutting-edge technological might, the group strode towards its environmental duties. It worked upon technologies that were innovative yet sustainable.
At ColorJet R&D, we have more than 40 plus engineers and employees from various domains and with vast experiences. Our ColorJet R&D is approved by Government of India through DSIR. And we do a lot of developmental activities right from basic research and product development, testing, validation.
Once again, ColorJet's R&D surprised the world with Earth Series, ColorJet's innovative digital textile printing technologies, exemplified by the Earth Series, not only redefine industry standards, but also prioritize sustainability and efficiency. This commitment to eco-friendly practices extends to their Earth Series, which eliminates the need for traditional steaming and washing methods, conserving time, water, and energy. ColorJet's group legacy is marked by a string of awards and certifications, solidifying its position as a global leader in the field of digital printing. Innovation, sustainability, and excellence define ColorJet Group, paving the way for a future where technology and conscience converge. In the dynamic landscape of printing solutions, ColorJet emerges as a beacon of innovation and excellence. Our journey, rooted in a passion for technology, has propelled us to the forefront of the industry.
I'm thrilled to share with you today as we embark on an exciting journey in the signage industry. We have solutions coming up in soft signage, which can be seen through our range of printers known as SoftJet, which comes in different ranges. And it is now talking about printing on fabric as against flex, which gives a more sustainable solutions to the outdoor industry market at large. At ColorJet, we also pride ourselves in giving a range of product portfolio, which starts from solvent, which majorly deals in outdoor signages, printing on flex. And we are the only ones available in the market today which come in 3.2 meter wide, which are products Neptune HQ Plus, Sonic HQ Plus, and Polo HQ. They come with a better quality output as against the solvent solutions that are available in the market. Now coming to the third segment, which is the largest segment that we are serving today, is the UV segment. In the UV segment, one gets a flexibility of creating more customized and personalized designs for his own use.
At ColorJet, we don't just embrace technology, we embody it. Our state-of-the-art facilities boast cutting-edge machinery that forms the backbone of our commitment to quality.
The parts are being issued to the production, wherein which first stage the mechanical assembly will take place. So during the mechanical assembly, all the mechanical team will work on the machine, and then they hand over the machine to the electrical assembly, wherein which the electrical team will come and then assemble, do all the wiring and make the machine ready in all the aspects, and then it has been handed over to the testing. That is the uniqueness of the ColorJet, I would say, because all our machines which go to the customer, it is 100% tested.
Each print that bears the ColorJet mark is a testament to our unwavering dedication to delivering excellence. But beyond the machinery lies a team of visionaries, driven by a shared mission.
By understanding the market demands and addressing market needs, we deliver innovative digital inkjet solutions
to empower your ideas through vibrant and impactful printing solutions. We understand that your vision is unique, and that's why ColorJet goes beyond the conventional to offer bespoke printing experiences. From concept to creation, we stand by you, ensuring that your vision is not just printed but brought to life. Our commitment to sustainability is woven into the fabric of our operations. ColorJet is not just a technology company. We are stewards of the environment. Our eco-friendly practices and green initiatives underscore our responsibility towards a brighter, cleaner future. Our journey is marked by a relentless pursuit of perfection. The ColorJet experience is not just about printing. It's about co-creating a future where every print tells a story, where every color evokes emotion, and where every detail matters. Join us in this voyage of technological marvels and creative wonders. ColorJet, where your imagination takes flight and every print is a masterpiece. Thank you for choosing innovation. Thank you for choosing ColorJet.